Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time for your October 2020 Dollar Bead Bag and Dollar Bead Box. So two separate subscriptions. We're going to look at each one. So here's our bag. This is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And Dollar Bead Bag subscribers can reorder October items through November 2020. It's $1 a strand. I also have a coupon code. Bronze 2, $2 off your first bag, box, anything on their website. So how can you beat that, huh? So beautiful fall colors this month. So let's see. Let's start with the 3mm strands. So jet silver blue luster. That's this one. Very, very beautiful. Is that better? Very pretty. So a jet bead with a very pretty silverish blue luster on it. Love. Alabaster white forest green luster. I'm going to say it's this one. Sometimes it's hard to tell, but they're all so beautiful. Look at those gorgeous finishes. Love it. That's really, really pretty. So it's sort of warm and cool together. And then alabaster white vintage brown luster. So it's a white bead with a sort of a tiki brown lustery finish. Really pretty. Love this one. Jet vintage copper luster. So a jet bead with a copper luster on it. Oh, they're so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, 4mm strands, jet silver blue luster. Love it when they do that. So I got a 3 and a 4 in the same color. Perfect for creating things right away. Alabaster white ruby luster. Oh, that's pretty. So they almost look like, it's like a wash on them. A lustery wash. Very pretty. Alabaster white pearlized olive. Gorgeous. Love, 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 love. I love my greens. And look at the luster on that. That is so pretty. Gorgeous. And then crystal rose amethyst luster. That's a beautiful crystal rose. Beautiful, beautiful, like antique rose color. Gorgeous. Love it. I love it with all of them, but they're very pretty, these two together. All right, so there you go. There's your Dollar Bead Bag. Again, $8 a month. Check the website out, link below. See if it's right for you. And don't forget that Bronze 2 code. I'll pop it up there somewhere and down there. All right, so I'm going to put this away, and then we'll come back and look at the box. Okay, let's check out the box. Let me give you some particulars first. So for a 6-month subscription is $18.50 a month and includes a Dollar Bead Club membership, which means you can shop on their site, and get anything there, $1 a strand or $1 a piece, whatever they're offering. Each thing is $1 for the most part. You can get a 3-month subscription that's $19.50, free shipping and handling, or you can just get it for 1 month and for $19.50 plus shipping and handling. But if you get a recurring subscription, you are automatically enrolled in their members-only Dollar Bead Club. I think you can just become a member also, and I think that's $35 annually. Check the website to be sure for everything. Okay, link below. Here's your box. Get your little letter. There are beads. Let me pull out the beads. There we go. Look at the letter in a second. I'll just pull the strands out, and I see some very nice neutrally colors here. Okay, pop those out. I'll move those. All right, October 2020. So there's a change in the weather. That means a change in their beading. A switch from light floral colors of summer to rich earthy hues. Yeah, there's some pretty earthy neutrals here. Very pretty. So it says explore the shop. Such a great little website. Very easy to navigate. Lots of fun beads on there. So let's go through the strands. So we have 8mm fire polish beads, and these are crystal vintage blue. Let me make sure. Okay, that must be this, where, I don't know, it doesn't look blue to me, but I could be looking at the wrong bead. We'll see. But this looks like an 8mm fire polish. It's very pretty. It looks more like gray with, you know, sort of a bronzy, you know, wash on it, partially bronze. But there could be blue in it. Let's see. Should we check it against white? Yeah, maybe. Maybe that the bead itself has got a little, is kind of bluish. All right, so sort of vintagey. All right, so that's that one. I'll pop these here, and you get 16 pieces. 5x6mm twisted rondelle in olive. I love these. Love the color. Beautiful. We have others in these, and I promise I'm going to come up with that with the storage video. I mean, I did a little bit on one of my Dollar Bead Box videos, how to store them, but I'm going to do a dedicated video. I'm just still trying to gather up everything that I use for storage, and you know, make sure that it's, you know, pretty comprehensive. So that will be coming up. 4mm golden tiger eye, 15-inch strand. Wow. All right, so we have some gemstones here. And you can feel that they're gemstones, nice and cold. Golden tiger eye. This is gorgeous. I just love these colors. I love these neutrals, these browns and greens, and just so pretty for the fall. Okay. And then we have 3mm faceted spinel. Yeah, again, another gemstone. A spinel is so gorgeous. Look at the sparkle on it. It's so pretty. And these are 3mm. So you've got a couple of gemstones here that are probably worth half the box. You know, the price of the box. Look at that. It's beautiful. Gorgeous facets on that. And that is a 14-inch strand. 8mm check glass 2-hole candy bead. Robin's Egg Blue with silver wash, 16 pieces. Okay, so this is a 2-hole candy bead. So it's a candy bead, yes, sort of flattish on the bottom and domed on the top. Cute. That's very cute. And then we have 2.5 by 4mm check glass rondelle, alabaster white travertine. So you get 16 pieces on the blue. You get 35 pieces on this. So nice little spacer bead going on here. Really pretty for, you know, just like chain necklaces and such, where you just need a few beads to you know, a few spacer beads. Very pretty. I'm just love this spinel and the golden tiger eye. That is gorgeous. Very beautiful. Okay. Additional items. So I haven't seen these, so I'm going to have to do a little searching. Vintage German crystal. And this is amber rounded rectangle. Oh, this is gorgeous. Or sapphire right angled rectangle. So you're going to get one or the other. And this is a vintage bead. It's German crystal. And I got the, wow, that's gorgeous. I got the amber rounded rectangle. That is stunning. Oh, bezel that as just a gorgeous ring. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Look at the flat surface on it. And look at the facets on it. That is I love vintage beads. That is stunning. Wow. And then we have an 8mm check glass flower button, purple iris, 6 pieces. Flower button, here we go. Love this color. So it's a little button. Wow, that's adorable. Look at that little, the little button. An iris. Okay, so if you hear the hammering, my husband recently retired. And he just hammers stuff all day. Okay, bamboo coral chips. Dyed red, 8 pieces. I gotta give him a break. You know, he's trying to figure out stuff to do, so he's fixing the house on the outside at the moment. So here's some bamboo dyed coral chips. Bamboo coral chips, very cute. Very pretty. You know, I missed one of these buttons. These are really cute. I love these buttons. And then we have 14mm check glass button bead, crystal pink luster. And do we have 2 pieces here? Yes. So this must be, this is the only pink bead, so I'm sure this is it. All right, so that's very pretty. It's got a hole down there, down the center. Very pretty, kind of sheer, icy pink. And then we have 16 by 22 millimeter brass butterfly stamping. You get 2 pieces this time, so we're got some small stampings. There we go. And we had some good ideas for stamping. I'll have to look at them from people posting pictures. These would be cute little earrings, wouldn't they? Love. These I absolutely think could make, just like I said, just a gorgeous pair of earrings. Love it. Okay. 22 by 32 millimeter antique brass elephant. Oh, I think we have one of these in silver. Oh, I think we had fun with this too, trying to figure out what to do with it. So he's got like a space where his eye is. You can put a crystal in there, a little crystal there. You can put a bead in here. Like what if you could put this pink guy right in there, like that. So if you love your elephants, here's an elephant for you. He's cute. All right, 6 by 8 millimeter check glass drop, vintage bronze iris. Is that this guy? Yeah. This looks like a blue vintage. Does it say bronze? Let's see. Yep. So let me get them all out. These are beautiful. They're bronze. Oh, like, so it's vintage bronze iris. Okay, that makes sense because it's like blue iris is got like a blue. That's a matte, beautiful blue with a little green. So it's like a matte iris. That's gorgeous. And it's the hole is this way, kind of like a brulette. Oh, love, 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 love. Those are really pretty. And then we have Soft Flex copper crimps. Oh, cool. 3 millimeter, 20 pieces. So you get 12 pieces here. So here, these are copper crimps, and they're by the company Soft Flex that makes the beading wire. That's cool. Very good. I love that company. So I won't take them out because they're so teeny, but always nice to have some, some findings. 22 millimeter check glass flower, turquoise with travertine, 1 piece. So this is a big guy. It's a big, big flower. Very pretty. I always say it whenever I need a focal piece, whenever I need an unusual bead, I just need one for a chain or a couple. I go right to my Dollar Bead Box, beads. And I generally find something that's perfect. So 14 by 16 millimeter check glass table cut pillow bead, beige with travertine. Got 2 pieces. Very pretty. So like these are so perfect for the fall, right? Because you could just, you can just actually string. So I would string these and put these pieces. I think we have more of these table cut beads. Take the rondelles, do a little stringing, put some other beads in between, and you have a big chunky fall necklace. Doesn't have to be bead weaving all the time. It's just stringing is just as beautiful. And this you could probably, because the hole is down the center, you could actually use it. Wouldn't this be gorgeous for bead embroidery? So you can tack this down in the center, right? You can actually put like a little, you can just sew a bead through, with that stitch where you're sewing up, the bead is on your thread, go down again, so you have a center right there, and then just bead around it. It could be a focal bead for a really pretty bracelet, bead embroidery bracelet. Love, great. Okay, so where are we? 14 by 16 millimeter check glass table cut pillow bead. So we have another pillow bead, and this one, oh, look at that, in beige brown opal. This is just 1 piece, but look at that gorgeous bead. These are so pretty. So go back to your other boxes because we have lots of these table cut beads, and you could just put these, like I said, string these into a really beautiful necklace. Use this pretty golden tiger's eye with that. Use, got a bezel, this guy, so pretty. All right, there you go. That is your Dollar Bead Box for October. Here is your bead bag right here. Here's the box. Really beautiful fall colors. It just gives you so many great ideas. And like I said, small amounts of beads that are so great for, just punching up a design where you need something unusual that you're not going to find every day, everywhere. All right, so I want to thank you for joining me. Again, don't forget to check down below for all links to the Dollar Bead Box, to the Dollar Bead Club, to their website. Don't forget the Bronze 2 coupon code so you get a couple of bucks off. Want to save a couple of bucks, all right? Okay, so take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.